Hey guys, this week we're choosing door number 3. Hey guys, welcome back to AMS. This week on Project Tallhoe, we're on that driver's side front door. We're looking to start repairing a lot of the rust that's there. We got some of that rust cut out. We got started on the actual door sill replacement piece, and we even built the corners. My goal this week is really hoping just to do all the rust repair on that front door. If you missed the last episode where we started working on that rust, I'll throw a link up above so that you can catch up with us. If you're new here on Project Tallhoe, I'll also throw in a link for the entire playlist in case you want to see where we started and how far we've come. If you enjoy what you see in the video, let me know. Throw down a like, hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me here for some sheet metal shenanigans. Let's get stuck into it. I can't really say I'm very proud of those. I didn't do a great job lining up the two edges of the metal so that they lined up. There's a lot of this and this going on. Oh well, at least it's inside a door frame. I just need to pay more attention and be a little more careful. So this is more or less where it's going to live. I need to tap a line in here for the curve, and I need to tap a line in across here for this panel to come down into. So I'll get those marked and then we'll start tapping those out. We're more or less there. Ready to install this piece. Got those flanges hammered in. We've got the end cap installed. Drilled some random holes to spot weld it to the piece of rocker under the B-pillar that I just can't get out, just like on the other side. These are just random holes. I didn't really try to figure out where they would line up, so we'll see how it goes, I guess. These still need to be trimmed back. This is too wide on both ends. But now is the time to start figuring out all those little bits.
After nearly 2 hours, that piece is basically finished. Scrape off some of the weld slag and paint it up. So we got this corner all painted in, finished up. Looks about as good as the others. It's not perfect, but it does the job, does it pretty well. Eventually I'll come back through and cut this out so that the corner is all fully shaped. And of course I'll still have to weld all of the stuff on the inside. But that leaves us with basically just installing this corner. So that's going to be our next priority. So unfortunately, I'm not going to make it quite all the way through that driver's side door frame this week. We've run out of time for the week and we've still got that front corner left to install. But nevertheless, it's pretty good progress. We finish up that door. Hopefully we've only got an hour or two of work to really finish up that front corner. And then the rust repair on that, on 3 of the 4 doors, is really done. So it's a bit of a grind, pun intended, but it's nice to know I'm getting closer. It's kind of hard to keep motivation up, to keep pushing through. This part isn't that much fun, but I just got to get through it, got to finish those doors. Once the doors are done, I'll get back to some of the other work that's new, that's different, even though it's still cutting, welding, grinding. It at least is more entertaining. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you sticking with me through the boring bits. Once we get these done, we'll be able to get back to some of the new stuff and hopefully move on to something more exciting. We'll see you guys next time.